For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. The early months of this year have proven to be turbulent for financial markets, with the Standard & Poor's 500 index experiencing a notable decline of nearly 10% from the beginning of January through the current date. For many investors, such significant corrections can provoke concern or hesitation. However, a review of market history reveals a consistent truth. Double-digit declines in the major indices often represent periods of undervaluation and strong entry points for those with a long-term investment horizon. These pullbacks may feel uncomfortable in the moment, but they frequently precede robust recoveries and outsized returns, particularly for high-quality businesses operating in transformative sectors. Far from being a passing trend, artificial intelligence is now embedded into the foundational infrastructure of modern economies. It is poised to reshape everything from how governments manage security and public services to how businesses interact with customers, process information, and automate complex tasks. By the end of this decade, artificial intelligence is expected to influence not just the global economy, but potentially the structure of human society itself. That makes this moment in time a potentially strategic opportunity to gain exposure to select artificial intelligence-focused businesses with strong growth trajectories. So, which artificial intelligence stocks stand out right now? In this video, we will highlight two companies that are not just participating in the artificial intelligence revolution, they are actively shaping it. These businesses have distinct technological advantages, strong momentum, and the potential to deliver tremendous value to shareholders over the coming decades. Let's begin with one of the most discussed names in artificial intelligence. Palantir Technologies has redefined the way organizations unlock insights from vast and complex datasets. What sets Palantir apart is its proprietary artificial intelligence systems, which were originally developed for use by intelligence and defense agencies. Over time, Palantir has expanded its scope beyond government operations, bringing its advanced tools into the commercial marketplace. The company's artificial intelligence platform, or AIP, is now deployed across a broad range of industries, including transportation, healthcare, retail, defense, and manufacturing. The demand for Palantir's software is nothing short of extraordinary. In response to its rapidly growing adoption, company leadership has stated that it expects to generate approximately $3,750 million in revenue for the full year 2025. That projection significantly exceeds Wall Street's current consensus estimate of around $3,540 million, highlighting Palantir's ability to outpace market expectations. Chief Executive Officer Alex Karp has described this accelerating growth in commercial operations as a new phase in Palantir's journey. According to him, the company is only in the early stages of what could become a multi-decade expansion, one that positions Palantir as a foundational player in the future of global technology infrastructure. What makes this vision credible is the company's expanding network of partnerships, which now span from military institutions and intelligence agencies to private sector corporations and manufacturing powerhouses. To provide some perspective, Palantir stock currently trades at an eye-popping 172 times its expected earnings, which may appear expensive at first glance. However, such a valuation often reflects the market's anticipation of exceptional long-term growth. For investors with a long-term mindset, those looking 5, 10, or even 20 years into the future, Palantir stock may be far more attractive than it appears on the surface. The company's unique position at the intersection of artificial intelligence innovation and national security, combined with its increasing relevance across the commercial sector, creates a protective moat that few competitors can match. As artificial intelligence adoption accelerates around the world, and as both governmental and enterprise-level institutions begin to rely more heavily on smart systems to process data, Palantir solutions could become indispensable. Its technology has already been tested in some of the most demanding environments in the world, giving it a level of credibility and reliability that newer or less experienced competitors cannot easily replicate. All signs suggest that Palantir is in a prime position to benefit from what may be one of the defining technological shifts of our era. Now shifting our attention to a very different but equally compelling artificial intelligence stock, we arrive at SoundHound. SoundHound has developed highly advanced technology that enables natural, real-time conversations between humans and machines. Unlike traditional voice assistants that struggle with background noise, regional accents, or technical terminology, SoundHound's systems are designed to function seamlessly in real-world environments. That means they can be used in places like restaurants, cars, or customer service centers where unpredictable conditions conditions would normally cause other voice systems to falter. Rather than chasing after the generative chatbot trend that many large tech firms are pursuing, SoundHound has taken a focused approach. It has spent over a decade perfecting its voice recognition technology and now owns a robust portfolio of proprietary solutions that make it uniquely equipped to address high-value verticals. In the fourth quarter of 2024, SoundHound reported revenue of $34,500,000, which represents a doubling of revenue compared to the same quarter in the previous year. That level of year-over-year growth is impressive by any measure, but what's even more striking is the company's forward guidance. For the full year of 2025, SoundHound expects to generate between $157 million and $177 million in revenue. At the midpoint of this range, that equates to annual growth of 97%, an extraordinary figure that reflects the strength of its technology and the increasing demand for voice-based artificial intelligence systems. SoundHound's products are being integrated into a growing number of real-world applications. For example, major restaurant chains are now using SoundHound to enable voice-based ordering systems. Financial institutions are using the technology to streamline customer interactions, and several auto manufacturers are incorporating SoundHound's voice assistants into their vehicles. These deployments validate the company's technology and illustrate its practical, scalable nature. Simply put, the company is perfectly positioned to capitalize on the growing need for more intuitive, human-like interaction between people and machines. As more sectors adopt artificial intelligence, the ability to communicate naturally through voice will become a fundamental requirement. SoundHound's deep specialization in this area, combined with its first-mover advantage, gives it a substantial lead over competitors who may only be beginning to explore this space. Looking at the bigger picture, the conversational artificial intelligence market is projected to grow at a compound annual rate of approximately 24%, eventually reaching a total market value of around $136 billion by the year 2035, according to forecasts from Roots Analysis. SoundHound, with its current market capitalization of roughly $3.1 billion, appears to have enormous upside potential. If the company continues to execute on its strategy and expand its partnerships, it could become a dominant force in voice-enabled artificial intelligence over the next decade, and potentially well beyond. To wrap things up, Palantir Technologies and SoundHound stand out as two compelling investment opportunities amid recent stock market volatility, driven by their strategic positions in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence sector. Palantir has evolved from serving intelligence agencies to becoming a leader in commercial data analytics with its artificial intelligence platform, forecasting revenue of approximately $3.75 billion, well above analyst expectations. Despite its high valuation, the company's deep ties to national security and growing commercial demand make it a strong long-term play. Meanwhile, SoundHound focuses on natural voice interaction, offering advanced solutions used in restaurants, banking, and automotive industries. With revenue doubling in the fourth quarter of 2024 and projected annual growth of 97% for 2025, SoundHound is well positioned to benefit from the projected 24% compound annual growth of the conversational artificial intelligence market, potentially reaching $136 billion by 2035. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.